Did you know your home heating and air runs about 3,000 hours per year?
If you drove your car that long at just 40 miles an hour, you would have driven 120,000 miles.
You wouldn't go that long without an oil and filter change for your car, would you?
Properly maintained systems last longer and run more efficiently.
Call now and get 2 annual maintenance visits for as little as $175 a year.
Plus, you get priority customer service and no overtime charges.
And you get 15% off parts and labor.
Coastal Comfort is a factory authorized Carrier dealer.
Carrier, turn to the experts.